Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from Revelation 20 verses 1 to 3. Listen what it say.
And me see one angel come down out of heaven. Him have the key for the pit when you have no bottom. And him have one big chain in him hand. Him capture the dragon. The snake where they bought from way back when. That are the devil and Satan. And tie him up for 1,000 years. Him fling the dragon into the pit when you have no bottom. And lock it up tight so him can't come out. Him do that so the dragon can't trick the people them in the world no more. Till the 1,000 years them done. When the 1,000 years they done, the dragon a go get free for a little while.
Think about this. What is a text a teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. See you soon.